On September 10th, Apple revealed its new iPhone devices, although images of the phone's new camera cluster are apparently sparking some people's trypophobia or fear of small holes. The iPhone 11 has a new dual camera lens cluster, while the iPhone Pro and Pro Max features a triple lens cluster. The structure of the new camera cluster, which are next to iPhone's torch and microphone, has sparked a gut feeling from some users on social media. Others reacted with skepticism. Here are some of the tweets. The mental health website Very Well Mind describes trypophobia as fear of cluster of small holes, bumps or patterns. When people see this type of cluster, they experience symptoms of disgust or fear. We'll be linking the URL so you can read the full post. Coming to Apple, did Apple make the right choice? Comment down below what you feel. Thanks for watching Techgasm and make sure to like and subscribe.